Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, now back around to the left hand side of the motor. The other starter gear and the shaft. It's got the cog on there which sits on this one. And it says to install the shaft with the flat section. Install step face of the jack shaft gear. Locate the double gear starter. Ensure the cut portion of the shaft is facing upwards. Okay, so I think that's for something later on. No spare parts. Now I'm going to go on to the clutch and the timing chain. Now when I pulled these out, you pulled them off. Oh, I pulled them out off the shaft together with the chain. Okay, there's the washer I don't want to lose. Another washer. I might be able to okay, that washer can go back in here. And this one outside, inside. did that go behind it? I'm thinking that went behind it. Okay, make sure the side. Okay. Okay, that goes behind. That fits better. Yeah, what's it to do with the bolt? Okay, that seems better. Okay, Loctite again. This one is 17 for the front, and the torque for that was 48 Newton meters. And before I do that, I'll need that done. A piece of aluminium I had in here. Okay, got my special tool to lock the cogs together. Okay, 48. And on this side is 24. And this goes to 42. This is a nylock nut, but it did feel quite loose getting this off. So I'm just going to put some Loctite in here. and remove the special tool, and that's all for this section.